Hey there everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to view Instagram without having a profile and if it's possible as a whole. So just open up your Chrome browser and go to instagram.com and you'll be see that here Instagram says sign up to see photos, videos from your friends. So currently I don't even have the search function, I cannot click any home pages, I cannot find anything. I need the app for that. Even in the app, I still cannot do that without registration. But there's a little workaround that is limited. There's a workaround, but it's limited. And it is if you just simply know the person's address, and by address I mean their profile to the link to their profile, and you go to it. You'll be able to see their photos. While our profile currently is not public, so let me just quickly fix that so I can show you. Okay. Okay, we have done that now. Now if we go to our profile, you can see I'm not logged in here and I can see my photos. But if I had more photos and I wanted to scroll a bit down, it would tell me that I have to register at some point. So yeah, you can see it like this without having a profile, if it's public, of course. And that's it. Hope this hope this helped. Please leave a like and subscribe if you did, and see you next time.